f I want to create a function really quick that I'm going to use the button to change the value of the checkbox. Okay, so if Boolean checked get equals true, I'm going to spell it out. You don't have to. Then I'm going to say bool checked set to false. So if it's true, I'm going to set it to false. Else bool checked set it to true. And watch what happens now. So I'm going to run this. Oops, one more thing I have to do before I run that is I have to assign that to the button. So the command equals, not check status, but set status. Okay, so there's that. Now if I run this, I can check this, but watch, it's checked now, and if I click the button, it unchecks it. So I can use one interface component to affect another interface component. So those are some ways that those can interact with each other.